In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an image using GIMP. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful open-source image editing tool that offers a wide range of features. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a beginner just starting out, knowing how to export your images is an essential skill. Exporting is the process of saving your work in a different format, making it suitable for use in various contexts, such as uploading to the web or sharing with friends. So let's dive straight into the process. First off, you want to start by opening your GIMP application. If you haven't installed it yet, GIMP is available for download on its official website, and it's compatible with most operating systems. Once you've got GIMP running, make sure your project is open and you're happy with your final edits. It's always important to double-check your work. Now, with your project open, here's what you're going to do next. Navigate to the top left corner of the window and you'll see the File menu. Go ahead and click on it. This menu is your gateway to numerous options, ranging from opening new files, saving your work, and, as you're about to do, exporting your image. Select the Export As option from the drop-down list. This is a crucial step because when you choose Export As, you are given the opportunity to determine how your file will be saved and what type of file it will become. Once you've clicked on Export As, a new dialog box will appear in front of you, prompting you to input a name for your file, decide where you want it saved on your computer, and choose a file extension. This is where it gets interesting. In the dialog box, just below where you type the file name, there's a drop-down menu labeled something like Select File Type by extension. Click on this menu and you'll find a variety of file types listed, such as JPEG, PNG, GIF, and many others. It's important to select the appropriate file type based on what you intend to do with your image. For instance, JPEGs are great for photos you want to share on social media due to their balance of quality and file size, while PNGs are excellent for preserving transparency in images. After selecting your preferred file type, click the Export button, which will open another dialog box with a few more options specific to the format you've chosen. These might include settings for quality or compression. Simply adjust these settings according to your needs or leave them as default if you aren't sure. GIMP's default settings are pretty reliable for most scenarios. Finally, click Export again, and there you go. Your image is now exported. Remember, exporting your project doesn't overwrite your GIMP file, so you can always return and edit the original file later. That wraps up our quick guide on exporting an image from GIMP. With these steps, you can efficiently prepare your images for various purposes. Thanks for watching and happy editing.